Alright, who's gonna get the guts to pick this thing up, put it back in your bag?
I'm in.
Hey, wait a minute, I have an idea. Who touched it? Who touched it? Hey, wait a minute.
I didn't. No one touched it.
Ew.
Okay, someone hold the bag.
Ew, Louie touched my thumb!
It flew away.
Throw it!
Fly away, Birdie! Be free! Fly away, Birdie! Fly away, Birdie! Be free!
I got it! Filming this?
Yes.
Get me in it.
Fly away, Birdie! Be free! I am.
That thing is slippery! You throw it over here!
Fly, Birdie. Hey, Bailey, film it. Film it.
I am. I'm filming it.
Bailey.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Hey, get me in it.
Oh, he caught it.
Okay, wait a minute. I'll pick it back up. This is nasty.
I know, this is so freaking nasty.
Okay.
Ew.
Poor thing. We should dissect it. No, wait.
Fly away, Birdie! Be free!
It needs more water.
Oh my god.
Brendan, you gotta pick this. You gotta throw it because you throw it the highest.
Okay.
I'll record it after.
Brendan, in the description, put a link for K Triplet and Moo Girls. That's me
Okay.
and that's my channel, and it's a link to and that Moo Girls is a link to Bailey and Morgan's channel.
Not Morgan's.
Oh!
Ew!
Okay, get closer, Brendan.
Just throw it.
The dead bird will miss you. It's falling out.
Oh my god, dude!
They turned. The other way.
One. Where are you going? He's going. 2, 3.
Chino, kick it, punch it, punch it.
Why'd you pick it up with your bare hands?
I think my iPhone died.
Wait,
No.
it didn't save?
Yeah, it's saved.
Okay. Let's all watch it. I want to watch it.
It can't play. It died.
Give it here.
It froze and died.